Opening Bafana Bafana World Cup opening game. Bafana Bafana 0, Mexico 2. Hatebe, this is We Talk Football SA. We say inform, entertain, educate, promote. What did you see today? Did you see stars? What did you see?
Very disappointing match. Mtagababa, I must say.
Yes.
Our players were a bit more nervous than ever because I would understand maybe it was a big stage, so our players were more nervous.
Yes.
To tell you the honest truth, yabona coach yethu isipuzile namhlanje. There's no way ubone ukuthi umdlali uyadlisa. Yabona uSithole was out nje from when he cost us the first goal.
Yes.
But the coach continued to play to Stoll up until that only red card.
Yes.
You know, in future or the next game, we don't even need to get to such level whereby if he player bet and we still keep the player because that's what cost us today.
Yeah.
Remember now, if you lost to Stoll, a red card, then Uzwani, you were definitely out.
Yes. But why so many defenders from your view? Why so many defenders? Why so many defensive midfielders? Why 2 strikers?
The honest truth is one. Remember who Hugo Bros with Bafana Bafana? It was his first World Cup.
Yes.
Now, just like anybody, this is what you call the defense mechanism. Yes,
yeah.
So he was just saying, let us defend more and hope that we'll get a chance and score.
Yes.
And unfortunately, in a game of chess, he lost.
Yes.
He sacrificed the queen.
Yes.
That's why he lost the game, because there's no way you can play a defensive game before. But remember, all the teams now were 0-0.
Yeah.
So now there was no need for him to even play a defensive match.
Yes.
He was supposed to play attacking to show the people who
we want to win.
We want to win.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the first blunder, like the coach Ayenzile. Okay, I'm not an expert in that field, football.
No, you are.
But anybody can see there was no need for us to play defensive football.
Yes.
There's no way. Remember, it is our first game and we had nothing to lose.
Yes.
So what is the next step? You play to win.
Yeah.
That's you play to win.
Yeah. Manje sinamathuba ukuthi kungenzeka singabe saya ku second round.
No, definitely there's a chance that we might make it to the second round. On account ukuthi ama game azwadlala i2 ukuthi ngiyabanyatha, but I don't think they're at the caliber of South Africa.
Yes.
We are at the highest caliber and we have high chances because remember we also have more supporters the whole world.
Yes.
So we have a chance of we should not even draw is going to be good enough.
Yeah.
So the next 2 games that we're going to play, we definitely have to win these games for us to make it to the second game. Yeah.
Hard luck Bafana Bafana.
Hard luck Bafana Bafana. Next time, Kosi for life.
Thank you, my brother.